Hello, what's up, beautiful people? I welcome you back to my channel. This is your girl. I'm just going to make some pancakes. I'm going to make the flour, the cassava flour myself, and I want to share a few experiences of myself while in the wilderness. Keep in touch. Grind or stop. That was my motto way back when we were still young. Like, it's something that we did not want to do. Someone be like, let me do the dishes. I'll do this. I'll do the mopping. At least I'd rather go and do the washing. But no one really wanted to do this. But I felt like reminding myself of a few of the things that we used to do way back at home. Right now I feel like I'm in the wilderness. If you are a Christian, you can understand, you can relate what I mean when I say I'm in the wilderness. So I've been doing a lot of things, and I felt that I like doing these pancakes once more. It's not even hard to do, just like, kids, we're just overprotective about our hands not getting the blisters on our hands. But it's very easy, So these are the flour that I've just got from the cassava, dried cassava. So I have to do it several times. Like, the mortar is not so big, so I have to put several times to be able to construct all the flour. These days I feel not understood at all. Not at home, not around friends. Actually, I don't have a lot of friends lately. I don't know why, but I think the situation really that I've been going through positioned me in such an area. This sea is really small. It's not really helping me so much because it's very small. Like, the hose is really hard. It takes a lot of time to pass out the flour. But I'll be bearing. Have nothing to do, or else then I'll have to replace it with another one. So these are the residues. I'll have to redo them. Like, afterwards, I'll have to redo them. I'll put them back in the mortar. Then I grind them once more so that they'll bring out the powder. I'm not throwing them away. That's the way to go. So these are the first powder I've got. So I really have, like I said earlier, that I had to improvise. So I really had to use a bigger sieve to make the work easier. There we go. And doing creative work really expands your mind. There is a way it feels when you, like, the way somebody goes to the gym and works out the body, the muscles. Yeah, so that's the mastermind your brain. So if you do something for your brains, it feels good. You put them into activities, there is a way it feels. So I'm really feeling so good, like being able to have done something like this. It's not something new to me. It's something that we've always been doing at home, something that we didn't want to do, but right now I feel like I want to do it. I want to make everything myself. You understand? Yeah. I don't really have a lot of friends like I used to. And a few of the friends that I have lately, they think maybe I act to be holy. They always say I act like Holy Mary. I find it funny, but then I think I've changed. A lot of things have changed about me, and besides that, I think the life I live lately while in the wilderness is the perfect life for me. I've been like reckless. I've been doing things like, I don't know how even to say it, but I think I'm doing the right thing, and I know that Heavenly Father, if He was here, these are the things that He would really want me to be doing. I'm really proud of the person I am lately, and I'm not here to please anyone, and I don't want to please anyone. I found the grace of God while in the wilderness. You know, the wilderness is the situation that you're going through, like that particular thing that you're going through, that thing that is troubling you, whatever you're going through is the wilderness, you know. These are the results out of all the number that I put in the mortar. Yeah. So now I'm going to make pancakes. You can do a lot of things with it. You can make food out of it. You can make porridge. You can make pancakes. You can make, I think I know only three things that you can do with this. Is it also papa's flour? Cassava flour? Yeah. So for me, I'm going to make pancakes that I've been wanting to do for quite some time, and I decided to make the flour myself to take some time. Yeah. Bye. Thanks for watching. See you. Bananas. I'm putting some baking soda. There is baking powder and baking soda. I think baking soda is best for pancakes. If you add in the baking powder, really makes it hard. We have something what we call mandazi. Baking powder is for mandazi because it hardens the cakes. It's something pretty simple, like very simple. The easiest I've ever done. I've been doing a lot of things. I've been trying out a lot of things. Then this time around I was like, okay, what if I make a video of this? Yeah, so I'm not really involved in the video so much because I have no one to hold the camera for me. So here we go. Looks like I'm done with the cooking, and I want to say that thank you guys for watching. If you happen to watch this far, if you were able to watch this far, thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, support me. It really adds on something on my channel. Like if you subscribe, if you leave me a comment, yeah, it's really beautiful. And another word that I wanted to say is that anything without God is really hard, be it life, marriage, children, people we live with. It's really hard to handle those people if they don't know God, or a relationship without God in it. So we really need God in our lives to simplify to make life easier, and those who are living the peaceful lives maybe are the ones that have not found Christ yet, because the devil really hates Christians. Yeah, thank you so much. Bye bye.